Good Saturday, everyone. Khambrel Marshall, KPRC2 meteorologist. Did you notice the humidity yesterday? Wow. It was the first time we really got that summer-like feel, and it's going to be with us again today, I'm afraid. Here's a look outside as we're tracking and watching a number of things here. First of all, humidity continues to increase today. In fact, we could have some dangerous heat indexes. That's especially true because this is the first time we've had this kind of heat and this kind of humidity in a while. So it takes a while for our bodies to get adjusted to that. We're also watching a rainy pattern that's happening next week. As far as our temperatures are concerned, our normal high is about 84 degrees. We're going to be above that today across the board. Record territory, maybe in Galveston right now. It doesn't look that way for Hobby or Bush, but still close to 90 degrees for us here today. Exact track radar showing nothing really going on this morning. We had some rain that came through overnight that's over in Louisiana, moving toward Mississippi and Alabama at this point, a little lower the upper Gulf Coast. But for the state of Texas, not much going on here. Here's a futurecast model looking at the arrows I put indicating the warm or at least the moist air coming from the Gulf. That's going to be in place for the next several days. Now, later on this evening, there's a chance you can see to the right side of the screen there some storms developing in the outflows from that heading in our direction, which could give us a slight rain chance, but really not much. For tonight, we see the same sort of pattern that we had last night, coming over from that dry line, a little isolated little pattern of storms, a little complex coming over just to the north of Austin, sliding in our direction, but our models want to keep it well to the north of us for this evening with a slight chance of a sprinkle later on tonight, but that's about it. Going to Sunday, we start out with the same pattern of that warm air coming from the south. Look what happens, a chance for some sprinkles, some showers to the north of us for Sunday. And that's about a 20% chance. And then Monday, we get a little bit more moisture coming in and the bigger chance for showers and thunderstorms, especially in the afternoon and evening coming over from the west side of the state. So temperatures today, our feels like temperatures, mid 80s for sure by noon, mid to upper 80s that is. And then going toward the 4 o'clock time period, we're talking about the mid to upper 90s is the feels like temperature. So time to drink plenty of water. Rain chances the next 7 days. I don't have rain in the forecast today. Slight rain chances tomorrow, but look at the rest of the week. At least 30% chances each and every day as we get in that rainy pattern with that moisture coming in, and that's going to be our trend going forward. Our morning temps, unless we get some rain cooled air like we got this morning, we're going to be in the low to mid 70s. And the highs next week with the adventure and the addition of the rain, we'll see our temperatures cooling off a bit into the mid 80s, but it's going to be humid and it's going to be uncomfortable for a lot of us. Here's a look at the 10-day forecast, and you notice that 90 for us today, 88 tomorrow, with our rain chances increasing. Our high temperatures go down a bit, so we just have to get used to that, including Mother's Day. So the question is, how much rain will there be around on Mother's Day? We will be refining that forecast between now and then. Hopefully we can have a nice dry day for mom, at least something dry for mom as we go out and celebrate the great women in our lives. Go out and make it a good day, everybody. Enjoy this day. Make sure you drink plenty of water. Be ready for that extra humidity coming into play.